In today's video, I am going to teach you how to play YouTube music in background. If you want the most reliable, official experience, the simplest path is a YouTube Premium subscription. Premium is designed to keep your music going while your screen is off or when you switch to other apps, and it also supports offline listening. If you are already subscribed, just play your music in the YouTube Music app and you are all set for background play. If you don't have Premium, here is a practical workaround using a third-party browser. I will show it with Brave, a privacy-focused browser that includes a built-in setting for background audio. Start by opening your device's App Store. On Android, that's the Play Store, and on iOS, the App Store, search for Brave. Then download and install the Brave browser app. Once it's installed, open Brave. In the address bar at the top, type YouTube Music and go to the YouTube Music website. You will be using the web version here, not the standalone app. Sign in to your YouTube account so your playlists and recommendations are available, just like you'd expect. Next, open Brave's menu by tapping the three horizontal dots. Choose Settings, sometimes labeled All Settings depending on your version. Scroll until you see sections related to display or media. Find the option called Enable Background Audio and turn it on. This toggle is what allows audio to keep playing when you leave the browser or lock your screen. Now head back to your YouTube Music tab in Brave. Pick a song, album, or playlist and press play. With background audio enabled, the music should continue even if you lock your phone or switch to a different app. You will typically see media controls in your notification shade or on your lock screen so you can pause, skip, or adjust volume without returning to the browser. If playback ever stops, simply wake your device. Return to the browser tab and press play again. Keep in mind that exact menu names can vary slightly based on your device and Brave version, but the background audio toggle will be under settings related to media or playback. Also, some phones manage background activity more aggressively than others, so allow Brave to run in the background for the smoothest results. That's it. Thanks for watching.